You are my love. You are my life. The air that I breathe. Air that I breathe. You're my soul, my happiness, and all that I need. When you walked into my life, I knew you would be mine. You have been with me through it all, down to my last dime. I will love you, protect you, and treat you with care. Scrub you in bubble baths and cherish every pair. Here is a gift of my devotion, a simple notion. Reshoevn8r, the magic potion. Show your kicks some love this Valentine's Day and save up to 25% at Reshoevn8r.com.